Hey everybody, real quick, I had an issue. I had an old tire that was had been sitting out. It was flat, it was folded up, it was dirty and just sitting outside for a while, and I decided to give it a try and try to see if it would hold air instead of getting a new one. I replaced the first one that was really bad, but this one I wanted to give it a second try, so I got a ratchet strap, wrapped it around the tire so that I could once I ratcheted the tire up, I was trying to get the rim close enough to the lip of the tire so that the air would allow the tire to seat properly. So I put the ratchet strap on and I kind of tried to tighten it up. Now I also put grease around the outside of the lip of the tire to help it seat better, to reduce the friction. And then I just tried to pump it up and it did not work. So I put the air in and nothing happened. So of course I had to put more air in to see if that would do it. And I also wound up tightening the ratchet strap more. I just tightened the ratchet strap up more, thinking that it would allow the lip of the tire to make contact with the rim. And I still didn't have much success doing it that way. So I just decided to use I had another air compressor in the shed that was I was thinking was bigger and probably more powerful. So after the previous attempts didn't work, I decided to go ahead and go in the shed and use a bigger air compressor, and hopefully thinking that maybe it would allow the tire to expand sufficiently so it would seat properly. So I went in there, and the only thing I did different is I took some PB Blaster and I sprayed it around the lip of the tire where I had previously applied the grease, and that actually worked. So I guess because what happened was when I started to pump it up, I could see the air escaping. The PB Blaster was blowing around the rim where the air was escaping. So I just kind of hugged the tire closer to the rim. I put it between my knee and my forearm and just squeezed and tried to cut off that escaping air, and that's all it took. So as you're pumping, just make sure look around the lip, try to stop the air from escaping, look for it, feel for it, squeeze it, and see what happens. And that may do it. That PB Blaster definitely worked. So once again, just don't give up on a bad tire. Just keep working at it, and maybe it's gonna work. It's gonna seat and hold air to your surprise. That way you don't have to buy another tire, but just keep trying. And I went outside and tested it. I had plenty of pressure. I pumped it up a little bit more, and everything worked out pretty good. So next time you have a bad tire, try this. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.